My name's Theresa. This is the first video I'm filmed for about 2 years. You guys don't know, but my house burnt down, so I lost pretty much all my stuff. So it's taken me 2 years to get everything back together, and yeah, so this is my first video back. Today I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow tutorial on this eyeshadow palette. This is by Bretman. He's a fellow YouTuber, and he collabed with Wet n Wild for this. I think it's called Jungle Rock palette. So it's really bright and lots of cool colors. He came out with a couple things. There was like lip glosses, some facial spray, a bunch of stuff, but I just got this. This is what interested me the most, was this eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have very many neutral colors. That's one thing I don't like. It's a lot of brights, but so I am going to incorporate another palette, a couple palettes I think, just to get what I want, because I want to have like a sunset eye, I think. It'll be fun. So yeah, if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Just click the little bell notification and you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna swatch some of these colors for you guys. So I'm not gonna do all of them, but I'll do a couple. Let's do this Prowl, because swatching it on your hand doesn't really do it justice. You have to put it on your eyes. There's that color, Prowl. Let's do Big Peacock Energy. This one. Oh, that one really showed up good. Try the blue one here, deeper. Blue one. And let's try a matte one. We're gonna try this Feline Myself. Wow, it's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that, but like I said, it could apply completely different to your eye. I look funny right now because I have no makeup on, but I'm just going to put an eyeshadow base on. I'm just gonna use this. This is it's just the A3 one by Maybelline. I'm just gonna put that on as a base. I think that palette too was like 15 bucks or something. It's pretty affordable. I got it at Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada. Well, that's Canadian, but yeah, it was really affordable. Wet n Wild's an affordable company, so. Yeah, I was super stoked to see that palette. Set my eyes with this coconut. I can't even see the last part of it with the coconut color. I'm just using a cheap brush. This one's by Becky or something. I got it. It was like $8 for a kabuki set on Amazon. I might do a review on it. I'm not sure. Okay. So like I said, they don't really have, there's no yellows in this palette, so I want to start off with some yellows. So I'm just going to take this color here. This is by e.l.f. It's really pretty. I'm just going to take that yellow right there, Solar, just with any fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to put that into my upper crease. Yeah, I don't think there's enough colors in this thing to make like a full eyeshadow look. My opinion, but I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Lamora brush, a blender brush. It's like a blending brush. Which color? There's no orange. I'm gonna take this off. This is the Melt Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take Radin, this really cool bright orange, and I'm going to use that just with 112 crease brush by Lamora. It's real hair. It looks like that. And I'm going to put that in focus that in my lower crease. I really like this Melt Cosmetics palette. I do a halo eye or a cut crease. Sorry if I feel like my filming is really bright right now. Okay, so far that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bretman palette. We're gonna take the red one, pounce on them right here with that same brush by Lamora. Put that on the right here on the outside and the inside. And in the crease, sorry. So a little bit of fallout, but that's normal. I'm just going to take that yellow brush, the yellow one. I'm just going to go like that and try to blend out maybe take a bit more of that orange color from the Milk palette, that one. Just to make, you want to make the color look seamless, so it's lots of blending. Okay, so then we're going to take a smaller brush, kind of like, brush is by, no, it's a really cheap brush, but it's really small. We're going to take that red color, the darkest red in the palette, right here. And we're going to focus that on the inside and the outside of the eye. The other red kind of went on pretty nice, but I'm going to take the brush I used before with that lighter red and I'm just going to blend it out a bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut the middle out, so we need a flat brush for that. Something like this. I'm going to take that same concealer I used, the Maybelline. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a yellow color. Any yellow color will do. I think I'm going to take the yellow from the MAC Cosmetic palette. And place that in the middle. Definitely need to fix that. Let me take that same brush I used to apply it with and just so I can make it right here. Okay, then I'm going to take a really small brush and I think I'm going to take some of that dark purple right there and place that on the outside and the inside. Then a little bit of that pink, what was on top. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of that red to the bottom, the lighter red right here. And then the purple. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and do my eyebrows, and then I'll come back and then we'll go over the palette and I'll tell you guys what I think and you'll hear my final thoughts. Okay, see you guys in a couple minutes. This is the finished look. I think it looks really good. Like I said, I really like this palette. I do like Wet n Wild. I would like, the colors are actually really beautiful. Like really beautiful. I didn't have a problem with the colors. They weren't patchy or anything. And these ones are really creamy, like the glittery ones are really creamy. The only thing I didn't like is I don't like the color selection too much in this palette. Yeah, it's summery, you know, it's called Jungle Rock, and there's a lot of fun bright colors, but you can't really do one eye look, I think, with it. Like you always need like a couple extra colors. Like there's no oranges, there's no yellows, yeah, so the colors are just kind of all over for me. Other than that, it's a really nice palette, affordable, good job Brett. He's a fellow YouTuber, so that's also really cool. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on this palette. Like I said, it's nice if you have extra colors to add to the look. Like I didn't have that yellow wasn't in here. I used a couple extra palettes. I used the Melt Cosmetics palettes too, to create this look. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification, get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, that's the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!